So the bearing, there's the race. The bearing failed in there for sure. There's part of it. Some of the cushions are chewed up. Have to get new cushions. Not cool. Good news is I think we caught it before caused any damage to the hub or anything, which is good. That is definitely destroyed. I do not think that's usable. And it was starting to chew on the swing arm as well. So now, first thing I need to do is I don't even know how I'm going to get that race out of there now, besides cutting it. I really wish I had a new one of these to compare to it, but I think the damage that's been done here, there's no way you're going to get this race out and get a new one. There's no way to put a new bearing in. Oh man, this really sucks. This piece right here that the sprocket bolts to is right at $100, which isn't completely horrible, except for the fact that this spacer and the bearing that goes right here, and those are like $20 a piece, so it's like another $40 or $60 just in those pieces. And then I don't even know how much these little cushions are. Crazy. Oh well, you gotta have it, so guess it's time to order some parts. No, the 20 bearing is the one that failed, but there is still a bearing in the wheel hub. Okay, that's this bearing. Number 3 is in the wheel. So the bearing in this hub has failed. And even if I ordered this whole hub, the bearing won't come with it. So I'm wondering if I could get by with taking a grinder and taking the lip off the hub I have and just putting a new bearing in there. Also, I'm not even sure what this is, number 19. Retainer sprocket drum. See, I may be missing that, and that may be my problem with why the bearing even failed. I know I do have that spacer. It's slightly damaged, but I can grind it down, smooth it down. Definitely gonna need that bearing, that seal, and number 19 there. So I've got my retainer, my dust seal, and my bearing ordered. I need to grab. I put this on a gift card, I put this on a gift card, so I'm about to make another cart and order the actual hub itself, and see what those freaking. Let's just check and see what those cushions are going to be. Kind of scared to know, to be honest. Okay, that's it. 18. Holy cow, $7 a piece for those little pieces of rubber, and I need, it uses 6, I probably need at least 5. Unbelievable. Alright, we're going to get this stuff ordered tonight, and most of this stuff's not in the warehouse, so it'll probably be middle of next week before I can put this thing back together, and until then it'll probably just sit right there in the middle of my floor and take up space just like everything else. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We'll get this thing back together as soon as we can.